In today's video, I will walk you through how to set trailing stop loss in MT5. Once you have an open position in MetaTrader 5, you can begin by using the Trade tab. Locate your open position in the Trade tab. Right-click on the position that you want to apply the trailing stop loss to. After right-clicking, a menu will appear. Move your cursor over the option labeled Trailing Stop. Another menu will open with several available values. From here, you can choose one of the default trailing stop levels provided. Simply click on the value you want to use, and the trailing stop loss will be applied to that position. If you don't want to use one of the default values, you also have the option to enter your own custom pip value. Select the custom option and enter the number of pips you want to use for your trailing stop. Keep in mind that the minimum trailing stop loss value in MetaTrader 5 is 15 pips. If you enter a value below that minimum, you'll need to increase it before continuing. That's the first method for setting a trailing stop loss. The second method can be done directly from the chart. Go to the chart that contains your open position. Find the stop loss line that has already been placed on the chart. If you don't immediately see the stop loss line, you can instead move your cursor over the take profit line or the entry point for the trade. Once you've located one of those areas, right-click on it, a menu will appear. Move your cursor over the trailing stop option once again. Just like before, you'll see the available default trailing stop values. If one of those values matches what you want to use, simply click on it. If you prefer a different setting, choose the custom option and enter your own pip value. After selecting either a default value or your custom value, the trailing stop loss will be applied to your position. You can use whichever method is more convenient for you. Whether you right-click on the position in the Trade tab or right-click directly on the chart, both methods allow you to access the same trailing stop options and choose either one of the preset values or a custom pip value. That's all there is to setting a trailing stop loss in MetaTrader 5. If you need additional assistance, you can contact your support team using their available support channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.